Mr. Zulu, you've been wearing your cast now for a few weeks, about 3 weeks.
Yeah.
How have you found it?
It was magic because my fingers were something to grip on, and also under this joint on the thumb, there's this support which enabled me to bend over it. And now I'm reaching my forefinger. I guess if it wasn't for this, I'd be able to touch this without pushing it.
Yeah, so we're going to change the design today. We'll remove that. But it's looking very good. You've got much more movement.
Yeah.
Okay, so the idea was to go into a hook fist because these fingers were stiff. So now those are no longer stiff. And can you isolate that joint for me? That's better. Ready? Okay, have a look at this. This blade vibrates, it does not rotate. So watch. So I won't hurt you, I promise.
Yeah, no,
So you have to trust me.
No, I trust you, but it reminds me of
the injury.
Yeah,
exactly. There's a bit of trauma, yeah. But this won't hurt you. Also, there's 2 layers of cotton.
Okay.
I feel when it touches the cotton.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what we're going to do is we are going to cut. We're going to cut along here. All right.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm going to cut down here.
Okay.
And then we'll be able to open it. All right. All right, Mr. Zulu, you've out of your cast. Let's have a look. Okay, stretch out your hand for me. Very good. Okay, make a fist with your fingers. Both hands. Yes, that's it. Let's zoom in here. Very good. The little finger's a little stiff. Okay, open your hand. Does your scar feel softer? Just more mobile. How does it feel?
I can feel the stretching.
Okay.
It means it's been locked for a long time.
It has. All right, open your thumbs. Let's see your thumb movement. Can you touch your index finger? Middle. Use both hands. Ring. Ring finger. Almost.
Yeah.
Okay, can you come across your palm with your thumb on both sides and let's see how much range you've got. So that's what we still have to achieve. Okay, good. Can you open and close your thumb? What do you think?
Yeah, no, it's even with this hand, I don't have that I don't have like yours because yours is got a.
I'm more mobile than you.
Yeah.
So in terms of where you're at, okay, before the cast, what score out of 10 were you? A 1 out of 10? Or a 5 out of 10? Where were you if 10 was the best?
No, I think it's a 5.
A 5. And now, if 10 is the best?
No, you mean then?
Then?
Yeah, no, I think it was 1.
A 1.
Yeah.
Okay, and now you're a 5.
Yeah.
That's not bad. All right, so we are going to be leaving the kinesio tape on underneath the cast. It's helping me to position the skin and the scar where I want it, and we are going to be leaving these joints completely free, and we're focusing just on the thumb positioning today. Okay, so we're going to apply this. Okay, now you keep your elbow on the table for me.
Okay.
Otherwise, you're floating in the air. Okay, we take our cotton padding. Remember that we are not actually immobilizing those joints. So you must always prepare yourself really well before you begin, so you know exactly where you're going. So what I'm going to do is make my little slab. I'm going to use 12 layers, and then I can use that as extra positioning of where I want it to be. Okay, so let's begin with soaking our cast. And we've got enough room at the bottom, enough room at the top.
Okay.
So that you can bend the tip. Yes. Bend that more. Bend that joint much more. So you support it. That's it. That's one exercise. Okay? And the second exercise is you're just going to bringing it up and down, aiming for the base of the little finger. Yes.
Okay.
Okay? That's what you're aiming for.